Down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy, Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle,
What's up, my beautiful butterflies? It's your girl Ryan, and I'm back with another video. Period. So today, y'all know I'm doing another paint video, another viral TikTok paint video. Only this time, it's the front. We did the Ruta, now it's time to do the Tuta, and I'm talking about the tatas. Okay, we got to show the tatas love. So canvas is the same as the last time, 24 by 30, I believe. All this stuff is from Michaels. I got some more paint from Michaels. I got white this time because I did the other one in pink. But I'm going to add some pink. You're going to see that towards the end of the video. I mean, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I do want to say that my camera died at the end of all this when I added the freaking flowers. So I can do a separate video on the flowers if you guys want to see how I did that. And yeah, I mean, just continue to watch the video. Yes, you are gonna see me lay down on this damn canvas, but I blurred it out, so hopefully YouTube doesn't check me for that. But yeah, enjoy the video, and I will see y'all in the next one, or I'll see y'all when I feel like I need to put my little 2 cents in. Okay, so disclaimer, I'm a mother, so my body is not the best, and I ain't never really been no skinny girl, but this part right here threw me off. Like, it looks like Kermit. It looks like a freaking frog. So, but you can see how I finesse it. So don't talk about my mommy tummy. I'm insecure. But boom, still look good though. It still look good though. Period. Okay, so this is not the finesse that I was talking about, because remember, I'm gonna add flowers. I just thought, okay, maybe if I try to draw the rest of my body, but then I remember, oh, Ryan, you don't like the rest of your body either, so I'm over here trying to draw draws on this thing. Sis, no, just put the paint down. No. honestly, the rest of this video is just me filling in the rest of the canvas. Like I said, my camera did die at the end of all of this when I was trying to do the flowers. So I can do a separate video on how I did just the flowers. But yeah, the rest of this video was just me filling in the canvas with black. I just left it because, I don't know, some people might feel like it's satisfying to watch. But yeah, the rest of this video was just blanking out the canvas and then the clip of my entire painting when it's done. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe and share. And I really want to say thank you. The reason why I did another paint video is because I wanted to do this, you know, part of it. But I got over 8,000 views. 8,000 views. That's the most that I've ever gotten ever. And I've been doing YouTube on and off for a couple of years now. I did a hair video that got maybe like 6,000 or 5,000 views, but 8,000 views, and it's still growing day by day. So I just want to say thank you to everybody. I'm just really grateful for that, and it just gives me hope. Like, I go back and forth between YouTube because I don't know, you just get discouraged because you think you make great content and then you don't get as many views as you feel like you should. But it's little things like that, well, big things like over 8,000 views on a video, that keep me going and keep me motivated in what I like to do. So yeah, like I said, you guys, my lovely butterflies, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.